Hello students, let us see one important question student. They are saying that is question number 57. Which of the following statement is correct? Right. Hydrogen has same ionization potential as sodium. This is absolutely wrong student because hydrogen IE of IE of hydrogen, how much is there student? It is 13.6, okay, electron volt. If you talk about sodium, okay student, IE of sodium, how much is there student? It is 5.12 electron volt. So it is wrong student, not same. Hydrogen has same electronegativity as halogen. This is not student, this is also wrong student. Hydrogen is electropositive and halogen is electronegative. That much not same is not there student, okay. It will not be liberated at anode. So it will not be liberated at anode. That is somewhat correct student, because hydrogen is liberated at cathode, okay. Hydrogen is liberated at cathode. So they are saying it will not liberated at anode. That is because not liberated at anode, and H2 liberate at cathode. H2 liberated at cathode, okay. So our required answer is option number what student? Option number third is correct, because hydrogen get liberated at cathode, dear students. That we have to keep in mind. How I am explaining here, you can see in the in the electrolysis student, if you talk about liberated H2 at cathode, so if you are doing the electrolysis of water molecule student, okay, so what is happening student? Take a small amount of acid, so that what is that is 2H2 will form student, and this will form the 2H2, not H2O, 2H2. It will form as cathode student, okay, cathode. And that is what about HO2 will form. This is the anode due to the preferential electrolysis student, okay. So that is cathode. So our required answer is it will not liberated at anode. That is correct student, it will liberate at cathode. So correct option is option number third. Thank you students.